This is the 35th annual show that they've had here in Blackberry, Minnesota. Fun. Things that you don't see every day that 50, 100 years ago were common. This is a celebration of the agricultural, farm, and rural heritage of Blackberry, Grand Rapids, and the surrounding area. So things that would be considered antiques suddenly become alive again. Absolutely, there's fun things for the children to visit the old schoolhouse. There's some hands-on stuff going on. I'm what they call a horse guy. See, we precede the tractors before the internal combustion engine, even before the steam engine, was horsepower. And I go back a little farther. I have draft horses, and I'll be bringing them out here. And we'll be doing some field work and some haying demonstration. The stationary steam boiler. And steam power is a big part of the antique farm shows, and Blackberry is very fortunate. We have 3 steam engines here that are in operating condition. We have another case that is probably the only one in the world. It has a tender and a cab. It was manufactured in 1903 in Racine, Wisconsin at the Case Threshing Company, and it was donated to the Farm and Antique Association in 2017. In the days of the threshing crews going around from farm to farm, you had the steam engines, the teams of horses, the teamsters, and the folks that pitched it into the crew, into the separators. Probably one of the most important and memorable things about that was the food. When you come here and you smell that sweet corn cooking, and you go into the kitchen and you look over the counter and say, "What you got there?" And then you go by the pies, and it's a celebration of food.